Kia has revealed the Kia Pride EV, a unique restomod built especially to mark the company's 80th anniversary. Restored, modified and unveiled for the first time at Bicester Heritage Scramble, the Pride EV is a collaborative project between Kia UK and British EV powertrain and conversion specialists Electrogenic. A labour of love and levity, based on the 1996 Pride 1.3 LX 5-door donor car from Kia UK's heritage fleet. The upcycled Pride EV swaps almost all of its original internal combustion components for a fully electric powertrain, with high power, instantaneous torque and zero tailpipe emissions. And these modifications were made to a car that was never created with any of these characteristics in mind. Only its original 5-speed manual transmission and drive shafts are retained to ensure maximum driver engagement. The Pride EV is fully road legal and intended to be as engaging to drive as an early hot hatch. The car keeps its original 1980s derived design and includes its original 12-inch steel wheels and wheel covers. However, it adopts certain elements that link it to the modern Kia of 2024. Until only recently, the donor car sported its original Kingfisher blue exterior paint. Now the car has been stripped down and resprayed with a white pearl finish, as featured on the Kia EV3, EV6, EV9 and Nero EV. The front and rear lights have also been upgraded. The interior of the Pride EV remains trimmed in period-appropriate grey cloth, but now features lime green piping on the seats and lime green stitching on the floor mats. These playful details are a direct visual link to the same lime green found throughout the interior and on the brake calipers of the Kia EV6 GT. The Pride EV has 77% more power and 99% more torque. The 1.3 litre engine has been replaced by this compact electric motor with twin 10 kWh battery packs. The electric motor produces up to 105 horsepower, and in its most powerful drive mode, the Pride EV's motor makes 235 Nm of torque. The new motor drives the front wheels via its original 5-speed transmission, retained and reworked by Electrogenic. The Pride EV can be fully recharged from 1 to 100% in around 6 hours from a conventional plug socket or wall-mounted charger. When driven sensibly in eco mode, the Pride EV is able to travel up to 120 miles on a single charge. This Kia Pride EV is a one-of-one project car created especially by Kia UK and is not for general sale.